guys, and today we are going to be playing on the mini hoop. But this one's in my room. And here's a quick quick interview of my room. So here are the medals. Here are some teams. Can't forget LSU. Yep. And then, oh, here's a Michael Jordan poster. The greatest of all time.
And yes, it's all of his.
And here's some posters.
Here's other posters. Curry, Patrick Mahomes.
Here's a Curry poster.
Curry, Mahomes,
Stanton, yep. And this is like just a car, which is pretty cool. And here's a pull-up bar, and this is my closet. Oh yeah, these are my LeBron shoes.
King James.
Okay, let's get to the video.
Let's get it.
Let's get it.
NBA story of Michael Jordan. And look at it. Okay, here's the ball. You ready, Sam?
Jeez, that scared me. Here, wait, get under the rim. I missed! Your turn. Give me that! My turn. My turn. One more time. Then my turn. Give me that crap. You hit my crotch. Oh. You hit my onions. Oh, you make it? Because I got a hand on it.
Tell us in the comments who's your favorite NBA player.
And why? My favorite NBA player is Giannis, second Curry. And what about you, Sam?
That's Curry and LeBron. And then,
But we all know the greatest of all time is
Michael Jordan.
Too easy. Like, don't be a hater, bro.
Actually, I like Kobe.
LeBron is not better. Wait,
I got Kobe more.
Kobe's not better, but yeah, he's second best.
I like Kobe.
Kobe's second to third best NBA
In
player
my
of all time.
opinion, I think Kobe's better than Michael.
No, you don't, dude.
In
That's
my opinion,
stats wise. Oh my god, bro. Check the stats.
I don't care. In my opinion, I said.
No, you just like him better. You know Michael Jordan's better. You sure you think he's better?
Not POV.
Go!
Nah. POV. No, POV.
Victor Wembanyama.
No, POV.
No.
No, POV. Check home grip. Victor Wembanyama.
The Slim Reaper. No, POV, you're playing as KD. The Slim Reaper. Give me it. Okay, I'm getting done on you, okay? Don't try to walk. No, dude. Okay.
Nah, POV Curry.
POV, you're Stephen Curry.
Okay, now.
No, cut that. Watch this sick alley-oop. No, cut that.
You want to get your chains on? Put your chains on.
Wait, you need my chain? I'm kidding.
Which one do you want? Jay. This is not for me.
No, that's fine. I don't want chains.
Silver one.
No, I want that. I want to wear that. That one's not one of my favorites.
Yeah, you get to wear those.
That's my favorite number. You have to show it in there. I put it there so they can see it.
Yeah, LeBron.
Wait, no? LeBron doesn't wear 3.
What the fuck? No, he's wearing
Wait, that's Dwayne Wade.
Dwayne Wade.
And I got, the Lord and Savior.
LeBron in his prime. Okay.
He was not 3 in his prime. He was 6. Wait, wasn't he?
Foot.
Wait, wasn't he 6 with Miami? 6? Yeah, he was in 23. I'm pretty sure he was 6 with Miami. Yeah. Okay, let's get to it.
I'm wearing it.
Ow!
I ain't wearing a chain. I'm wearing a chain. That's showing off. No, I ain't wearing
When you're not showing off, it's fake. Just remember, God always loves you.
Did it go in or not?
That was a bucket.
Guys, just
I want to shoot it high.
guys, just so you know, I want to show you something fun.
What happened? Oh yeah, so what happened there? So what happened there was our bathroom door was locked and the mom got mad and slammed the door and it went right through the wall. It was so weird. No, you're not keeping my watch. I mean, my friend and all, but no.
Sponsor me playing with a ball.
Wait, what do you mean by that?
Okay,
Ohio.
Okay, let's say goodbye.
Victor Wembanyama.
POV Victor Wembanyama.
Wait, did it go in? No, this is where.
Did it go in or not?
Okay, oh, Victor Wembanyama be like.
My boss.
Ew. Victor Wembanyama on a fast break be like.
No, I keep this. Can I keep this?
Oh,
Is this real?
what? That's my sister's. You can't keep that.
Dang it.
Oh shoot, that tracks her dolphin. Yeah, Vivi owes it on.
Say in the comments, is this a heavy ball or not?
Yeah. Is this heavy or not? Doesn't look heavy. Look. Hurry. Ow.
Look, is it? Say it in the comments.
Bye guys. I hope you had a good time. I hope you guys had a good time enjoying this video.
Peace out.
Peace.